Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the app and device so scanning works reliably. Give the app camera permission on the device, and in Powerapps enable media access. Then insert a barcode scanner control from Insert Media Barcode Scanner. Drag it where you want. Once done, capture the value by setting on Scan to set Scan Code Barcode Scanner 1 value. This saves the raw code. You'll use that variable to look up records or populate fields immediately after a successful. Now connect the scan value to your data and UI. You might need to trim or replace characters. Use text functions to normalize scan codes so lookups succeed. Next, perform a lookup like look up your data, barcode field equals scan code to find the record. Store it in a variable for reuse. Once you have a match, patch updates with patch your data, this record, field, new value, or navigate to a detail screen using navigate target screen. Make sure to handle null results gracefully. Finish by validating and responding to the lookup result. Use an if check. If is blank found record, notify, not found, navigate detail screen, screen transition. Fade, so users get immediate feedback. Test on multiple devices and in different lighting. Proper framing and focus improve read rates, so instruct users to steady the device. If scans fail, make sure camera permission is granted, restart the app, and clear any camera cache. This quick troubleshooting often fixes most scanning issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.